Scribbler 2, Project 5, Subroutines. Let's look at our learning goal. Our learning goal is still students will understand how to program a robot. And our daily objective is that students will understand that you can use a subroutine to simplify a program. What is a subroutine? A subroutine is a set of computer instructions for performing some task that can be used over and over. In other words, if you have part of your program that's going to be used often, you can create it as a subroutine and call it as often as you need it. This means that you just have one call block instead of a whole series of blocks. Let's take a look. You may have noticed that in the Scribbler 2 GUI, many blocks contain a gear icon. These stand for subroutines. The color of the gear can change. You can assign different colors to different subroutines. You see here the tooltip says make a new subroutine, so if we click, it makes a subroutine. And there are 7 colors. We can choose yellow, orange, red, violet, purple, blue, and cyan, a fancy name for light blue. The green gear is reserved for the main part of your program. So we're going to create a yellow subroutine. This is your main program. This is your subroutine. Now, you've already written a program that plays Mary Had a Little Lamb or another song. Let's imagine that you are programming a sequence that needs the robot to sing the same song again and again. We can make that a subroutine and just call it using one block. So let's say that we want the robot to move forward, sing a song, spin, sing a song, move back, and sing a song. Let's start making the program. Move forward. Let's say for half a second. And then we want it to spin. So it's going to spin. For half a second. And then we want it to sing a song. So let's put some music in. I think we're going to play Hot Cross Buns. Oops. So Hot Cross Buns is, let's find the notes. Okay. And that's going to be a half note. And that's going to be a half note again. And then I'm going to put in another. Oh, I've put in too many. And this one will be one, two, three, four. No, that's wrong. Okay. Sorry about this. Okay, let's get rid of this useless thing. Okay, so we've moved forward, we spin, we sing a song. Now we want to spin again. So we're going to spin again. And then we want to sing a song. So here we go again. Let's not do it like that. Let's copy it. and let's paste it. That's a lot easier. So move forward, spin, sing a song, spin, sing a song. What's the next thing we're going to do? Move back. Let's move back. For half a second. And then we want to sing a song. So once again, okay, so let's look at how long this program is. That's pretty long. There must be a better way. Yes, there is. So instead of, I'm just going to copy this. And now I'm going to put it inside the subroutine where I should have put it in the first place. And now, instead of I'm going to trash all of that. And instead, I'm going to call my yellow subroutine. And then I'm going to trash all this. And instead, I'm going to call my yellow subroutine. And then I didn't need to type in all this because I just need to call my yellow subroutine. Look how much simpler and easier to understand that program is. We can see immediately what it's going to do. So much simpler. Now you don't need to stick to one subroutine. You could make a number of other subroutines. We could make this subroutine, the orange one, and in that one we could play a different song, or we could have it do something else. Let's have it flash some lights. So I made it have the lights on for 1 second, then off for a short while, and then on again for 1 second. And then we could call that in the beginning. And then we could call it after the dance, after the song I mean. And we could call it after every song. And it's still simple and easy to understand. We can see exactly what's going on. So that is why you use a subroutine, because it simplifies programs and it's a lot less work for you. I only had to type that out once, and then I just called it. Go and play.